My name is CJ Whatley. My farm operation is based out of Groom, Texas. We farm roughly 1,200 acres of land. At least 3.5 of that is under pivot irrigation and the rest is dryland farming. We raise some commercial cattle on the side. Our farming operation over time has changed more into trying to do more with less. We have less labor availability now, so we're trying to do more with machinery and chemistry and new products to try to compensate for the lack of labor force. Planted a total of 130 acres of igrowth last year. 18 of it was dry land, and the other 122 were irrigated under a pivot. This field, number one, we were limited on our water irrigation, and number two, I was looking for a rotation. We had done cotton the previous years, and we wanted something to still try to keep our fields clean, but would still get the benefits of using less water and also being our rotation. The seed came out of the ground. It was a wonderful stand, and it just kept going. With our limited irrigation, I was afraid that we'd get hot spots in our field, and we never had any issues. The crop was uniform through the whole circle. We applied the Emiflex chemical pre to planting the actual seed. This field, we've had experience having real heavy pressure of broadleaf weeds, and that was where I was really wanting to test the product to see how it worked on that. And we had no issues at all this year with the product worked very well on broadleaf control. We've for years been battling issues with pigweed and kochia and certain native grasses, and the product worked wonderfully to keep those suppressed. And we had no issues with them this year on the fields we planted the product. With having the chemistry in our toolbox now where we can plant this product and it uses less water, it uses less fertilizer, and we can now spray it and combat these issue grasses and broadleafs. It's a game changer. We can now have options where we were backed into a corner with cotton. We can now plant grain sorghum like what we used to do. This next year I'll be planting igrowth on some of my farms.